Sony is back and ready to launch something special with the new Sony Xperia 1G. This time, they've blended elements from their past concepts with some exciting new upgrades and enhancements. It's clear Sony has kept the user experience at the forefront. So let's dive into what makes this phone stand out and whether it's enough to win over users. Don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments below. When it comes to design, the Xperia 1G is a visual masterpiece. The 6.7-inch 4K OLED HDR display is incredibly sharp, offering a stunning viewing experience. With a 120Hz refresh rate and 21.9 cinema-wide aspect ratio, whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows, gaming, or multitasking, everything looks smooth and immersive. Plus, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection ensures it's tough without compromising elegance. And the sleek matte black finish, pure class. Now, on to performance. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset powers the Xperia 1G, delivering flagship-level speed and efficiency. Paired with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, this phone runs like a dream. Whether you're gaming, editing 4K video, or juggling multiple apps, smooth, lag-free performance is a guarantee. Sony is known for its cameras, and the Xperia 1G doesn't disappoint. The triple lens setup includes a 50MP main sensor, 48MP ultra-wide, and a 12MP periscope telephoto lens, perfect for stunning landscapes, detailed portraits, and clear zoom shots. With AI-powered optics and real-time focus tracking, every shot looks like it was taken by a pro. And for all you selfie lovers and vloggers, the 32MP front camera supports 4K video recording for crystal clear content, no matter the lighting. Battery life is a big deal, and the Xperia 1G has you covered with a 5,000 mAh battery. It easily lasts through a full day of heavy use, and with 65W fast charging, you're back to 100% in no time. Plus, with wireless and reverse wireless charging, you can power up all your devices on the go. So, what's the verdict? The Sony Xperia 1G is shaping up to be a true flagship contender. With its cinematic display, powerhouse performance, pro-grade camera system, and solid battery life, Sony's clearly made a phone that ticks all the right boxes. But the question remains, will this be the device that finally puts Sony back in the spotlight? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome smartphone content. Catch you in the next one.